Everyone's complaining about the high cost of food nowadays. What are you going to do? Where are you going to eat? Where are you going to have lunch at? If you go to McDonald's, a Big Mac, large fries, and a drink, depending where you are in the country, can cost anywhere from $9 to $11. That's just for one person. That's crazy. There are better ways. Let me show you what I'm having for lunch. Fried rice. It's quick, it's easy, it's delicious, and the cost is less than $1. Stay tuned, watch how we do it. This will be a quick video, so let's get to it. This is going to be very quick, very simple. The ingredients are all cut up and ready to go. But check this out. Time me. A little bit of oil. Then goes the vegetables. Green peppers, onions, habanero, and jalapeno. Then we put in a little turkey that we had from a rotisserie chicken we bought at Sam's. Ham that's been left over. And we'll stir this up a little bit. This will all come together very fast. While that's cooking, we'll throw in some other things. Should be warm enough. All you gotta do is warm up, come to room temperature. Let's throw in our rice. Mix this up. We're gonna put a cracked 1 egg in there. And you can use any kind of greens you want to. If you have leftover sausage, you have leftover turkey, you have leftover fish or shrimp, throw them in there. By all means, go ahead. We're going to put a little bit of fish oil in there. I call this steep sauce. You can pick it up at any oil market or any section in the grocery store. If you ever smell it, you'll know why I call it steep sauce. Then we have a little bit of oyster sauce. Very good, adds flavor. Mix together, and it's done. Top it off with a little cilantro. And that's all it is. Let me put this thing together. This is going to be for my lunch. But we'll try a bite, see how it tastes. So here we have it. I added in a little mixed vegetables, broccoli, carrots, and squash, just for a little more texture and flavor. And here it goes. Fried rice, made in less than 5 minutes, and we'll see how it tastes. Get a big scoop here. Oop, it's a little hot. Ready? That's great, and I guarantee it's going to beat your Big Mac all to pieces. If you want more cooking ideas and tips, join us on our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.